Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Alright, guys, my name is Emmanuel, aka Max, and welcome to my YouTube channel. First, I want to wish all my Christian brothers and sisters out there happy Good Friday and happy Easter to each and every one of you. I'm really glad to see another Good Friday and celebrating it with my fellow Christian brothers. So, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you the trades I have taken so far and also the top-down analysis of what my expectation of next week is going to be like. Today being Friday, 3rd of April, NFP released, yes, but it wasn't that impactful in the currency pairs like that of GBP and Euro USD, AUD USD, yeah, and gold, because I just saw a spike of 20 pips down, so it wasn't that impactful. And there are a lot of bank holidays, so I told my group and my community that we should just stay off the market for today. We should not trade because it's not every day you should trade. You should just give yourself a break and reset and enjoy the holidays. Of course, it's holidays. So currently let's go straight to the point. Um this Euro USD, and my top analysis for Euro USD has always been a sell because ever since the displacement of price has always been going downwards, and price will always remain bearish till further notice, till we see the reaction of price in this area. Because ever since the displacement of price came back up, feel this fair value gap. Mind you, this is the daily time frame. As you can see, price came up, filled the fair value gap, ignore this higher one. This is going to still be filled in the nearest future. And after filling this fair value gap, price broke this low with a displacement. You can see there. And this fair value gap did not hold. Yeah, this fair value gap did not hold. Instead, when price reached this high, it did not break this high, respecting the trend. As you see that this price is respecting the trend, I quickly marked another potential retest of where the trend is going to be respected. And exactly what happened. This was day before yesterday. This was 1st of April, yeah. So price came up here and respected this trend again. So the next expectation is how price is going to react over here, because obviously it has made higher lows. So let's see how price is going to react here. So my expectation for next week is price going down to at least 50% of the body of this candle. That's what I'm expecting. This is for Euro USD, and the same top analysis goes down to GBP USD and AUD USD, though they are not in full correlation. But if I have a bias here, I ignite it with other correlated currency pairs. So that's just it. Now let's look at what NFP did. Let's see what NFP did. Obviously, this is NFP. Just seeing this candle alone, you know this is NFP. NFP did some dirty. It went down 20 pips because this candle is 20 pips. It went down 20 pips, grabbed this low, manipulated all the sellers that is going down, but you grabbed only this low, going back up, and now it's approaching this low again. So my expectation for next week is continuation of sales. Yeah, that is my expectation. I'm expecting a continuation of these sales over to the low of the daily time frame I showed you. So same with GU, you can see the same similar chart pattern of EU. You can see over here GU is already heading to grab the NFP low. Okay, now AU, you can see the same chart pattern. They are all correlating. AU is almost reaching the NFP low, and XAU is still on holidays because I don't think there have been a movement on XAU. I don't think there's been a movement on XAU. XAU is still on holidays because the last candle is showing 2nd April and we are in 3rd April. So like I said, I would have simply avoided the market, which I did. I expected everybody else to avoid the market despite it being NFP and all. Just avoid the market and take a break. The market is always there. So that's all for this week analysis. I'm expecting more lower movements on EU USD and all the pairs against dollar. I'm expecting more lower movements of price and dollar to gain momentum. All right, this is the DXY, the dollar. This trend line, obviously this trend line should just show you that it is already in a bullish move. So you should respect the trend. Just respect the trend for now. There's no break of structure with the displacement in this daily time frame. Instead, it's going higher. You can see from here it went higher, thinking to respect this other block, but no, it broke this structure with the displacement. This is the displacement. Came back, traded into, broke this other structure with the displacement, breaking this other one with a displacement, came back, and I'm expecting this structure to break with a displacement. This one is already, it has been broken with a displacement. It's going to break it again with a displacement. So that's it for the analysis. I'm expecting lower prices, like I said, and I expect we all get paid next week. Thank you for watching this video to this very minute. Like and subscribe. Thank you.